Yes, good evening, children. Beta, today we are going to revise the syllabus. Okay, first I am taking the how to find the square root of any number by the prime factorization method. Okay, already we have learned this, but I am repeating it again. See that you know that the prime numbers are those are coming only in their own table. Okay, so see that what can be the prime numbers: 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, and so on. Okay, so by only these numbers you can do the division, not other than these ones. Okay, 1, 5, 2, 1 is there, so start division. You can see this is an odd number, so by 2 division will not be possible, so take the 3 first. 3 5 ja 15, then take out 2, division will not be possible. 3 7 ja 21. Okay, then again by 3, 3 1 ja 3, 2 will remain there, 20 will it will become. So 3 6 ja 18 and 3 9 ja 27. Then by 13, 13 13 ja, and finally 13 1 ja. So it means if we will write square root of 1521, so it can be written that 3 into 3 into 13 into 13. What is the meaning of this? That this 1521 is the product of these numbers. Okay, so you can see that they are coming in a pair. So bring down one number in this way from each pair. So what it will become? 39. So 1521 is the square root of 1521 will be 39. Okay, one more number I am going to take, that is 1156. So again do the prime factorization for this number 1156. Okay, start dividing it by 2. 2 5 ja 10, 2 7 ja 14, and 2 8 ja 16. 2 2 ja 4, 2 8 ja 16, and again 2 8 ja 16. Then 2 1 ja 2 4 ja, and 2 4 ja, then 2 7 ja or 2 2 ja, 2 3 ja or 2 6 ja, 2 18 ja, 2 9 ja. Now you can see that by 2 further division will not be possible. So start dividing it by next number is 3. So continue with 3 now. 3 3 ja 9 and 3 1 ja 3. So our division will be continue till that here finally 1 will not come. Now see that 1156 square root of 1156 is equal to, it is the product of which number? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 2 3 4 5 6 7. See that beta here 2 8 ja 16 and 2 9 ja 18 it will be. Okay, now again 2 1 ja 2. Now it will not be divided by 2. Okay, so 219 is the square of 17. So 17 17 ja 289, and finally 17 1 ja. So it can be written as the factor of 2 into 2 into 17 into 17. Now take these ones. Will be 2 into 7. So it will be the square root of this one will be the 14. So in this way repeat the prime factorization method yourself. Now the next pattern of the question comes that, see that what is the next pattern of the question is 2352 is a perfect square. Find the smallest number by which it should be multiplied to make it a perfect square. So first we will do the prime factorization for this question. See that how. Next 2352, do the prime factorization. But we will what we can observe afterward. 2 1 ja 2, 2 1 ja 2, 2 7 ja 14 or 2 6 ja 12. 2 5 ja 20, 2 8 ja 16 and 2 8 ja 16. Again by 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 9 ja 18 and 2 4 ja 8. 2 1 ja 2, 2 4 ja 8 or 2 7 ja 14. Then by 3, 3 4 ja 12 or 3 9 ja 27. Then by 7, 7 7 ja 49 and finally 7 1 ja 7. So here beta, what we can see, 2 3 5 2 can be written as the product of these factors, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 7 into 7. For making it a perfect square, what it should be, all the numbers should be in a group of two factors or in a pair. Here we will see that they are in pair. This one is also in pair. This one is also, only this 3 is alone. And what is the question? By which it should be multiplied. If we will multiply this number by 3, then one more number 3 will come in its prime factorization. Okay, if we will do the prime factorization of that number, then we will get 2 3's here if we will multiply this number by 3. So by which number we should multiply it? So we can see that 3 is not in pair, not in pair. So what is the, our question is, it is the given number is a perfect square? So the number is not a perfect square. So the number is not a perfect square. Okay, so what we can do for making it a perfect square? To make it perfect square, to make it perfect square, we will multiply 2 3 5 2 by 3. So 3 2 ja 6, 3 5 ja 15, carry 1, 3 2 ja 6 and 1 7 or 3 2 ja 6. It will become 6 7 5 6. Okay, so one more 3 will come in its prime factorization. So we have to find the square root. After that 6 7 5 6, if you will find its square root, so what it will become now? This will be the product of which numbers? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Now one more 3 will come in its prime factorization, and 7 into 7. So what you will do beta? Take out of these two, one from each group. Okay, and that will be the square root of this one. So 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 7 ja 56. That will be the square root of that number will be the 56, means 6 7 5 6. If you will take out its square root, it will be 56. Now see that beta, what is the next pattern of the question? Is 1008 is a perfect square number? Find the smallest number by which it should be divided to make it a perfect square, and also find the square. These kind of question what we are doing beta, like this question same. Okay, suppose one number is, all the numbers are here in this question, all the numbers were in the group of 2, but only 3 was not there. So in these kind of question, the number which is remaining alone in the factors, by that number we are dividing the given number, and in this way this number will be removed from its prime factorization. Okay, and then we can find its square root. See that how we will do this question again. I am going to do this, and then you do the question like that from your books or from the other sources also, you can practice them. Okay, see that now 1008 is there. So do the prime factorization for this. 2 5 ja 10, 0 or 2 4 ja 8. Then again by 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 5 ja 10, 2 2 ja 4, 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4 or 2 6 ja 12. Then by 2, 2 6 ja 12, 2 3 ja 6. Then by 3, 3 2 ja 6, 3 1 ja 3, 3 7 ja 21 and 7 1 ja 7. So you can see that 1 0 0, I am writing here 1008 is the product of which numbers? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 or into 7. So you can see that this 7 is only alone number. It's another pair number is not. So what we will do, you divide 1008 by 7. So in this way this 7 will be removed from its prime factorization. See that what it will become now. So after doing division, its answer is coming 144. So in this way this number will be removed from its prime factorization. So 144. Okay, and then we will find the square root of 144. What it will be? Then it will be the product of which numbers? See that 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Because now 3 will not come here, 7 will not come here. Okay, so see that from now the rest of the number are in pair. So from each pair you bring down one number. So 2 into 2 into 3, 2 2 ja 4, 4 3 ja 12. So square root of 144 will be 12 in this way. Now see that beta, find the square root of the numbers by long division method. This is the last pattern of the question here. So I am going to revise again long division method. 6 8 8 9 is given to you. You have to do the prime factor, long division for this number. So how you will do? First start making pairing from right side. Okay, from here you will make pair. So here 68 is there beta. So see that you will not take the numbers like 2 3 ja. If you are taking the number 2, then only 2 2 ja you will see. 2 2 ja 4, 3 3 ja 9, 4 4 ja 16, like that. So here we will see that which square number will come near to 68. 8 8 ja 64. So okay, so 68 minus 64 will be beta 4. Now in simple division we are bringing down one single number now for the further division, but here we will always bring down the pair of numbers. So 89 will come down. So 8 or 8 will become 16. So in unit place only by whether by 3 or by 7. Okay, in unit place 9 we can get. So we will check by this one. So 3, right here 3 also. 3 3 ja 9, 3 6 ja 18, carry 1, 3 1 ja 3 or 1 4, 4 89. So what will be the square root of 6 8 8 9? So it will be 83. Its square root will be 83, or whether 83 square will be 6 8 8 9. In any way you can understand the question. Okay, one more question again I am going to repeat by this method. See that 6 5 5 3 6 is there. We are going to find the square root for this number. So see that start making pair. So here 2 pair, this 6 is remaining alone. So take the number such that whose square will be nearest to 6. If I will take 2 2 ja 4 or 3 3 ja 9 is becoming greater than 6. So what I will take 2 2 ja 4 because 6 was alone. So 6 minus 4 is beta 2. Now bring down 55 here plus 2. Here it will be 4. Okay, now see that if I will take 5 here, I am just trying 5 5 ja 25, carry 2, 5 4 ja 20 or 2 22. So by 5 it can be divisible. 5 5 ja 25, carry 2, 5 4 ja 20 or 2 22. Okay, so 5 5 minus 5 0, 5 minus 2 30 will be here. Okay, now just now by which number we have done the division? By 5. So add this 5 here. So it will be beta 50. Okay, and now bring down this pair here. So 3 6 it will be. Now unit place we need 6. So only by 4 or by 6 it can be possible. So see that 4, if I will do by 4 4 ja 16, carry 1, 4 0 0 4 into 0, so 4 4 ja 16, carry 1, 4 0 0, so 1 by 4 it will not be possible, so take as 6 here. Try to take 6 now. 6 6 ja 36, carry 3, so 6 0 ja 0 or plus 3 3 or 6 5 ja 30. So what will be the square root of 6 5 5 3 6? Its square root will come beta how much? 256. So in this way long division method can be implemented. Okay, so here all types of the question I have discussed with you, and rest of the questions are in the statement form in exercise 2.3, but in each question you have to implement the same thing. Okay, so you revise them. Now we are going to repeat the cube root also. Beta, in square root we were making a pair of two numbers or a group of two numbers. Here while we will take the cube root, we will make a group of three numbers of factors of 3. Out of 3 factors we will take out one factor for finding the cube root. Okay, now see that I am going to repeat one question or not two questions from the cube root also, how you will find the cube root for any number. Here in cube root only one method is there, that is the prime factorization method. Okay, so see that beta, find the cube root of 3375. So start 3375, start it, means here also prime factorization will be done. So for only the numbers which I just now in the previous chapter told you that only by these number you can do the division, so you can select those numbers. So I am starting with 3. So see that 3 1 ja 3, 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6 and 3 5 ja 15. Again by 3, 3 3 ja 9. Okay, then 3 7 ja 21 and 3 5 ja 15. Then again by 3, 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6 and 3 5 ja 15. Then by 5, 25, then 5 5 ja and finally 5 1 ja. Now we would like to find the cube root of the given number. So 3375, here cube root sign, here 3 comes in this place. So it will be the product of which numbers beta? 3 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 5 into 5. So here you can see that all the factors, see that they are coming in a group of 3. So what you will do? Make a group of 3 pairs, always it should be, and out of these 3 you will select, take out one pair for finding cube root. So its cube root will be 3 5 ja 15 and this will be your answer. So in this way you will find the cube root. Okay, now again see that one more question I am going to do for this. Okay, see that question number 2744. We have to find the cube root of this number. So see that, do prime factorization of 2744. So 2 1 ja 2, 2 3 ja 6, 2 7 ja 14 or 2 2 ja 4. Then 2 6 ja 12, 2 8 ja 16 or 2 6 ja 12. Again by 2, 2 3 ja 2 4 ja 2 3 ja. Now see that 343 is there. So 7, maybe by 7 it should be divided. 7 4 ja 28, 7 9 ja 63. So 7 7 ja 49 and 7 1 ja 7. So see that 2744 is the, here 3 you will write in this way, is a product of which numbers? 2 into 2 into 2 into 7 into 7 into 7. Okay, now see that again the factors are in a group of 3. So out of these ones you just take out one here. 2 into 7, 7 to the 14, its cube root will be 14. So in this way children, you will find the cube root. See that in this pattern you should write the means solution. Okay, while you are writing in the form of product, at that time inside this cube root sign all the numbers should be written, and while you would like to find its cube root, now you will select the factors from each group. One factor will come down and then their multiplication will be counted as the cube root. So in this way beta, only this kind of questions were there, and rest of the questions means by which number it should be multiplied by to make it a perfect cube, or by which number it can be divided to make it a perfect cube, are same as we were doing in the questions of the square root. Okay, so in next class we will revise the next chapters. Till that, have a good day to all of you.